Hi, I'm Dr. Zarif. I'm the founder of the Rhythm Diet. Have you ever wondered what else could you do with a bell pepper other than add it to a salad? Well, today we're going to talk about stuffing this bell pepper with your choice of breading. I've chosen the blue for instance, like the cream of wheat, cornmeal. All of these are examples of what you can use to stuff your pepper. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut through the pepper. What we do, we turn it on the side just like this, right? Okay. After that, what we want to do, well, for the top is not so important, but we'll just remove some of this. All of these seeds are edible, by the way. Get all of that out, just like that. Okay. Now, after that, the bottom is going to be a little different. It's easy. You just take a knife and you remove the core. Here. A couple little cuts. We'll remove that. Do it the same way. Now, you're probably saying, well, aren't you going to cook this? And I'm going to answer no, because we want the enzyme. See all that water, the moisture in here? We want to actually keep that. If you have a few seeds in that, don't worry about it. All of that is still nutrients. We take the dressing, you just simply add the dressing, and you just add your stuffing right into your pepper. And this is how you make a stuffed pepper with breading.